Now, the verdict on the juvenile accused in the brutal Nirbhaya gang rape case has been deferred until the 25th of this month by the Juvenile Justice Board. Said to be the most brutal of all 6 men involved in the incident, the accused was 17 years and 6 months old when the crime was committed. He can get a maximum of 3 years in remand home according to Indian laws on juvenile criminals. The family of Nirbhaya has been demanding that he be tried with the other 4 accused as an adult criminal and be awarded the maximum punishment possible.
This decision is indeed very distressing for those who are standing on the side of the victim and are sharing the grief for the victims of such a heinous crime in city of Delhi some months ago. Well, true that probably the boy deserved maximum punishment for having participated in this gruesome crime so very actively. But unfortunately, the law forbids that, because juvenile justice says that if on the date of incident the offender is less than 18 years of age, he cannot be tried by penal law. He has to be separately tried under Juvenile Justice Act, which unfortunately has happened by verification of his age. Our suggestion is that, well, true that when we talk of punishment, it must be commensurate with the gravity of the crime, and age should not be the consideration. To some extent, this argument is very sound, but at the same time, on the other hand, we have to protect children from the rigors of law, and therefore I think the time has come when we should consider that it is not the biological growth of a human being, but also his mental tendencies, his bent of mind, his criminal tendencies, etc. to be taken into account for the purposes of deciding as to what punishment he should be awarded.
फैसला सुरक्षित है, अनाउंस्ड है, फील्ड कवर में हमें जब सप्लाई हो जाएगी कॉपी बोथ पार्टीज को, प्रोसिक्यूशन को भी और डिफेंस को भी, तभी हमें पता चलेगा उसमें हुआ क्या है। साथ ही साथ मीडिया के लिए भी डायरेक्शन था कि मीडिया इस केस में एक्विटल और कन्विक्शन के बारे में कोई भी न्यूज नहीं देंगे, और हमें भी साथ में डायरेक्शन ये था कि हम भी मीडिया के साथ ये सारी बातें शेयर ना। यानी अब ये साफ है कि ये गिल्टी या नॉन गिल्टी, इसके बारे में हमें तब पता चलता है जब अनाउंस होता। वो तो सील्ड कवर में हमें प्रोवाइड कराया जाएगा।